How to fix unusual activity on Cash App. 1. Maintain a strong and stable internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is reliable before initiating any payments on Cash App. Many payment declines occur due to users neglecting to check their internet connection for stability. 2. Keep your app updated. Cash App prioritizes safety and security, regularly releasing updates to enhance these aspects. Using an outdated version of the app may lack essential security features and lead to payment failures. It is advisable to keep your app updated. 3. Verify Cash App server and address technical issues. Before initiating a payment, confirm that Cash App is functioning correctly. If Cash App experiences downtime or slow speeds caused by heavy traffic or a weak internet connection, it can affect your transactions. Avoid making payments during such periods. 4. Adhere to sending and receiving limits. Cash App imposes daily, weekly, and monthly limits on sending and receiving funds. Exceeding these limits will result in payment failures. Familiarize yourself with these limits and ensure that your transactions remain within the prescribed boundaries.